If there's one thing I want to tell traders to work on, that would be the levels, the areas of interest. Because no matter what is happening in the market, you should be able to see how the market is trying to play out. Now we have this area here that obviously has acted as a form of support in the past and then acted as resistance and all. And then yesterday we had this very big candle to the downside, right, which reversed the initial up move from the Asian session. So we had this big candle. It's now looking like a bearish pin, and with this bearish pin, also known as a hammer, it's now sitting well below this area of interest. So most likely we might have it drop down to this support over here. And of course, ideally your stop loss should be above the pin, but you can as well make it just above this area of interest here that has acted as a flip zone, right? So always pay attention to your areas of interest. The same thing we have here on the cable. We had this big down move over here, and then from this big down move, we had a bearish engulfing, and then it is sitting. Yes, interestingly, here we have resistance, we have support. It is sitting on this support here. But with this big move, with this support here, will it be able to hold it? Maybe, maybe not. We wait for further clues as to whether it's going to break out of the level or whether it's going to push higher to the next level in this area here. Don't forget, we call it an area and not a price point, right? Great. So now also flipping through the other majors and gold that we have, you see that we had some big moves from yesterday, and these big moves were as a result of poor CPI data coming out for USD yesterday. And then we had the USD take a big hit yesterday, right? So these are all the majors and gold that we have here. Gold, we had its breakout from the highs of the 1802 yesterday. We talked about this, where price is sitting, or rather is ranging between the 1802 and then the 1782 markers as well. So now price has broken out from the CPIs yesterday and now sitting on this. As it's sitting, is this going to be a launching pad to push higher to this area of resistance, or to push higher to this area of resistance that's acted as a form of support and resistance here before? Only time will tell. What you are supposed to do now is to look for price action candlestick formations. Like you could have the bullish engulfings, or you could have the bullish pin bar, you could have the bullish harami. You can see I'm calling them bullish this, bullish that, because you are interested in buying, right? So whatever the case might be, keep your eyes peeled to your screen, pay attention to what you're looking out for, and then when it comes to you, it's like collecting candy from a baby. Pull the trigger, put in your proper stop loss in the proper place, and then calculate your risk management appropriately, and you should have nothing else to worry about. And if it's a loss, then accept the small loss. And if it's a winner, then of course it should be a good winner, a good runner at the end of the day. Okay, so I believe that's all. Just flipping through. Later today we have the CPI for CAD, and then we also have the GDP for the New Zealand dollars much later at 11:45 p.m. UK time. But notwithstanding, expect volatility for the CAD pairs and also for the New Zealand dollar pairs later today. Okay, trade safely everybody. Enjoy the day. Have any questions, comment below, and let's see what we can do for you. Thank you and goodbye for now.